Okay, I need to pee. You think there are any trees that I can hide behind? Nope. Just very thorny blackberry bushes. No my luck if I stood here and take a piss, a group of 20 cyclists would come along. Right, just come from there. I'm under a bridge, but I just walked past this conservation area. Lots of thorns. I don't think they'd mind too much if I water the plants. Right up ahead, it looks like there's another lock or something, so maybe I can find a spot to sit and brew up a cup of coffee and have something to eat. We shall see. No, not a lock, just a very large mooring area. And don't know what this used to be. Maybe not a waypoint. It's a little bit of metal screwed in there. At some point maybe there was a bridge here or a checkpoint back in the day when all the canals were in heavy use. Maybe they had to pay a toll to get through certain areas. So this is what might have been down at the previous point. Right, from here on in, you can see I'm right there by the Health and Racket Club. You can see the little bridge. I'm basically standing right there. From here on in it's suburbia, so this is my last chance to actually have a hot cuppa. So I'm going to go into this field along this tree line and find a quiet spot down there. Right, I'm at the other end of the field. The railway track is right there, and I'm in a mostly sunny spot, sheltered from the wind, and I can put my trangia right here and make myself a brew. Alright, I come back from the far end because the trangia wouldn't sit very well, so at least here I've got flat ground. Okay, pouring fuel around the outside of the ring and lighting that warms up the rest of the burner, and that ignites the fuel that's inside. And she's lit. Right, I'm standing still. It's windy. The sun is about 40 minutes from setting. so it's dropping quickly and it's behind cloud. So it's time to put the fleece back on. I've just eaten all my sandwiches and looks like the water is at a boil. So time for a hot brew. And by the way, there may not be much filming after this because my battery's flashing. It's a combination of low power and cold weather. I think that's hot enough. So I just spotted this. It's a piece of clay pigeon. So someone has been clay pigeon shooting. Coffee and head back to Oxford. So my battery's flashing really badly, so I might not get any more footage, but I'll try. But for now guys, thanks for watching. Taking bridge 243. Well, that's its number. Okay guys, just got a little bit of battery power left. I'm back in Oxford where I started. So once again, thanks for joining me, and hopefully I'll see you again on another adventure. Bye bye.